Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing King George from Hoppers. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve across and a V-shaped point down underneath. Now inside, let's add an oval at the top. And color the rest of the nose in black. Now for the snout, let's draw a line down in the center. And then from the sides of the nose, let's bring it out and curve it back in. Next, let's hop on top and draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up on the left and down. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a circle on the bottom inside corner. And then another circle inside on the top right. And color the rest of the eyes in black. And then on top, let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve down and back up underneath. And then from the top, let's draw two curves down and up like this for the teeth. And two bumps at the bottom for the tongue. Now color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on each side of the snout and let's draw a curve down and bring it in, meeting at the bottom. Then let's hop out next to the eyebrows here and draw two angles up. And then a curve across for the top of the head. Now from each side, let's bring it out for the cheeks. And then let's curve it back down underneath, stopping here. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop up and let's draw the crown. Let's start with two lines up on top of the head. And then angle them back in. And one more point up in the center. And that's it for the crown. Now let's hop down on each side and we're going to draw the ears by drawing a curve down and in. And let's do the same thing inside. Now lastly, for the face here, let's add the whiskers by drawing three curves out on each cheek. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. From underneath the head, let's draw a bump down and a small curve in towards the center. Now for the hands, let's add a bump up on each side for the thumbs. Then let's curve each of them down, meeting in the center. And bring it out and back up. And then let's add some curves inside for the fingers. Now top out and finish the arms by curving it down and into the hand. Now that we're done the arms, we're going to draw the belly patch. Let's start underneath the face and let's draw a curve down to each arm. Then let's continue it underneath by curving it down and in, meeting in the center. Next, let's hop out and draw the legs. Let's start next to each arm and let's draw a curve down. And let's bring it back in to the center. Now underneath, we're going to draw the feet by drawing 3 bumps underneath each leg. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then inside, let's add some diagonal curves. And a few going the other way. And that's it for King George. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!